Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I'd like to welcome you here today. I'm here to do a fun unboxing. This was delivered to me today. I feel like I'm a little bit late to the party again, but this is the November 2019 Paper Pumpkin box called Winter Gifts. Came a little smooshed, but that's okay. Look at this part, looks perfect. So this is a monthly subscription box that you can get through Stampin' Up. And you can get it month by month. You can get it 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. And it's just a fun box of creativity that comes delivered to your door each and every month. So let's take a look at it. So you can find it at paperpumpkin.com. And before I do open, look at this beautiful box. Isn't that stunning? Now I can see putting a photo on here and using this background for like a maybe a Christmas picture in the center, putting that into a frame. Wouldn't that be great? I think so. So anyhow, it is a cardboard box. When you open it up, inside you will find a beautiful stamp set. So I'll put it down here so we kind of can look at it that way. So we have a piece, Love and Joy, A Gift for You, Let It Snow, Made with Love. There's a to, from, and there's little snowflakes and a little holly leaf with some berries. Isn't that beautiful? It's a photopolymer stamp set. These are exclusive to Paper Pumpkin. The only way you can get them is through a Paper Pumpkin subscription. And Stampin' Up! Also gives you an ink pad each and every month. This is the color Shaded Spruce. And within a 12-month period, you will never receive a second one of the same color. So that's always good to know too. So let's put those aside. And then when you open it up, it's like a little gift each and every month. And of course the tissue paper, you can recycle that as well. Or you can put the box on the floor and have your cat try to fit his or her bum in there, which is usually what happens here. So you can see on the inside how I got a little smush, but the outside got a little smush, but the inside is perfectly fine. So we'll put that aside. Sorry about the glare. I just can't seem to get my writing correct. I don't know. No matter what I do, I have like lights high, low, here, there. I just can't seem to get them right. So I keep trying. So anyhow, I hope this is good for you. I'm trying. That's all I can say. So here we are. This is the Winter Gifts Instructions, November 2019, and this, oh, I'm like a glare right there on there. Oh my goodness. Seriously? Okay. Well, once I get the cellophane off, I think it'll be okay. So anyhow, this is a pack of monthly goodness, like I stated before. Probably will state again because I'm so excited to get these each and every month delivered to my door. And this is a set from, I've already seen videos, and I've seen other demo unboxings, and I've seen all kind of sharing ideas. And sorry about that. Okay. And turn that off. So, like I said, I have seen other people do their unboxings and their creativeness with theirs. So maybe you have too, or maybe you haven't. Maybe this is the first time you've seen this. So inside here, let's pull out our goodies. And I'm only going to do the unboxing for today. You'll want to go back to my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates, and you'll see the cards once they'll see what I create. Once I get the kit assembled. And if you'd like to see some fun alternative ideas on the last Thursday of each month, so now that'll be Thanksgiving, so it may be Wednesday, it may be Friday, depending, but I'll give you notification of that. Over on my Facebook channel at Stampin' Sue Creates, I do a live Facebook on Thursdays at 7 p.m. And I always do the last Thursday of the month, Paper Pumpkin one. So who knows? Maybe it'll be this coming Thursday. Maybe we'll do that, like a Thursday early. We'll see. But anyhow, go over there and join me. We have some Shaded Spruce beautiful ribbon. We also have some sequins. Let's check these out. And they do a great job in packaging everything for you too. So we have some iridescent sequins, and we have some silver sequins. And they have self-adhesive on the back, so that makes it super easy for you to create with. And here we also have our little tags and some banners. So we have 3 sheets of these. And look at these, aren't these beautiful? I think I'm going to create some cards with mine. I will do the sample, how they suggest, and then my alternative projects will probably be cards. So this is a cute little banner, and here we have a cute little tag. So we have 3 sheets of those. You probably have three sheets or 2. 1, 2, no, let me see, it's hard to tell. 1, 2, maybe 2 sheets, so 4 of those. 1, 2, no. Oh my gosh, I'm like losing it. 2, 4, 6 tags in total of that one. And here we have some little snowflakes. Ooh, and they have like a silver metallic to them. Aren't those pretty? And you just punch them out. And here we have the sleds. They look really funny like that. But once you punch them out, let's see. Is there another thing to punch out? There's a little thing up top here. There we go. That looks more like a sled now. So we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, my nose is itchy. 4, 5, 6. 6 of the sleighs. So you must make 6 of each. And then here we have some, ooh, real pretty trees. So now this coordinates with last month's Paper Pumpkin box where we had those beautiful cards. So look at that tree. And I mean, you can embellish these how you want. This has a little hole in the top for doing your gift tag. So we have 2 sheets of those. So there's 6 of those with the trees. We have some real pretty, did that stop my recording? I don't think so. Okay, real pretty embellished snowflakes. Okay, here we have some other little tags and some little strips of cardstock there. So they're pretty good size. They would make great cards. And here we have some circles you punch out. We have some other little tags and banners here at the bottom. It kind of has a wash look to it. And we have, look at all the stuff you get in here. These are some little green sprigs to punch out. Here's some more banners. All different kind of banners. I'm not sure if you can see it. Maybe you can. There you go. And these are cardinals. Let me punch one out. Isn't that pretty cardinals? The laser cut. Real nice. And then we have some holly leaves. I mean, this kit is just never ending. I'm not sure why there's that little nubby there, but whatever. It looks like maybe it was, this one looks a little off kilter. Let me punch out another one. Oh, they just have that white little frame going around them. So we have those, a whole huge sheet of them. Ooh, and then we have some metallic deer. Look how nice they punch out. Look at how pretty they are. So we have those. And then these are little mini glue dots. And of course a piece of cardboard or chipboard, whatever you want to call that. And then here's our instruction sheet. It shows you right here on the cover the 4 tags that you can create. Right there, you get a good look at them. We bring them up closer so you can see. Cute, cute little tags. And when you open this up, there is instructions as to how to put them together. They look very easy. A nice little ruler down here at the bottom so you can measure your ribbon. And when you turn it over, again, shows you the tags. And then it shows you a few alternative projects, which is really, really great. And you can find Paper Pumpkin on all the social media, and tells you exactly what's in your kit, the coordinating colors, Early Espresso, Pool Party, Rio Red, and Shaded Spruce. And you can find it, like I said, on all social medias. And yeah, this looks like a really fun kit. I mean, there's really a lot of product in here. I mean, for $22 a month, you just can't beat it. Plus, once you use up these consumables, you still have your stamp set and your ink pad. Oh, and your little metallic cord, if I missed that. and the sequins and the ribbon and the dimensionals. I mean, this is like a kit and you are all ready to go. So be sure to check me out over on Facebook at Stampin' Sue Creates, and if you're interested in ordering this or any other product, you can find me over at stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. Alright everyone, I hope you have a super Stampin' Day. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.